Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Deriv. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The history of Deriv dates back to 1999, when its owners launched Deriv Group and Binary.com. Deriv has earned the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide and offers powerful platforms, competitive trading conditions, and high-quality resources for research, education, and analysis. This broker is supervised by multiple leading financial regulators, including the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission and the Malta Financial Services Authority. Deriv uses advanced SSL encryption to protect user accounts, and all client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks to reduce the risk and impact of cyber attacks. Deriv is one of our top-rated brokers for beginners. However, this broker also provides professional-level platforms with advanced trading tools for more experienced traders. Deriv offers more than 20 popular cryptocurrencies, dozens of currency pairs, and a variety of stocks, indices, and synthetic instruments that can be traded as CFDs, options, or multiplier contracts. Most CFD instruments can be traded on margin, and currency pairs can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times. The instruments you can trade will depend on the platform you use, so we will give you a quick overview of the instruments you can trade on each platform. Deriv MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade Forex CFDs, synthetic CFD instruments, stock CFDs, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, and you will need to open a Deriv MetaTrader 5 account to use this platform. Deriv X can also be used to trade Forex CFDs, synthetic CFD instruments, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, and a Deriv X account is required to use this platform. If you'll be trading any options on currency pairs, synthetic instruments, stocks, indices, or commodities, you can use dTrader, dBot, or SmartTrader. Deriv is one of the only brokers that offers multiplier contracts on currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, and synthetic instruments, and multiplier contracts are only available on the dTrader platform. Deriv offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website, and you can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by choosing an option from the menu bar. On the homepage, you will find interactive links to all the instruments and platforms offered, and the menus at the bottom of the homepage can also be used to jump to different sections of the website. The Deriv support team is available via live chat 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can reach them via WhatsApp, email, or telephonically by submitting a web ticket. Before you contact customer support, we recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Deriv does not offer any trading bonuses at this time. However, you can increase your monthly earnings by joining the affiliate program or the introducing broker program. Affiliates will get exclusive access to marketing tools and partnership programs with monthly payouts. With the introducing broker program, you will receive a commission whenever your clients trade CFDs on MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader 5 synthetic account pays out daily. Becoming a Deriv affiliate is entirely free, and all you need is clients and followers. There are a total of 8 platforms that you can use as a Deriv client. So we will discuss the features of the 2 main platforms first, and then explore the rest. Deriv clients mainly trade on Deriv MetaTrader 5 and DerivX, as the account types offered are based on these 2 platforms. DMT5 is Deriv's MetaTrader 5 server. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. This platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website. It is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. MetaTrader 5 can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets and mobile devices. And more than 300,000 traders are using Deriv's MetaTrader 5 platform, and there are more than 100 tradable instruments on this platform. The second platform is DerivX, which is one of Deriv's proprietary platforms. DerivX is a fully customizable multi-asset trading platform that offers commission-free trading on dozens of instruments. DerivX is primarily a CFD trading platform that is designed for all styles of trading. This platform comes with more than 13 advanced trading tools, over 90 indicators, and a variety of intuitive widgets that you can use to personalize your workspace. This platform is beginner-friendly and can be used on mobile devices, desktops, tablets, and laptops. Deriv Go is Deriv's proprietary mobile trading application, and it has been optimized for trading multipliers, forex, cryptocurrencies, and synthetic instruments 24/7. You can start trading with as little as $1 using the mobile application, and trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times. DTrader is designed for trading options and multipliers, and more than 50 instruments can be traded on this platform. It has a minimalistic, user-friendly layout, which makes it beginner-friendly, but you can customize your workspace with different chart types and drawing tools. DBot is Deriv's strategy builder, and it can be used to build trading robots that will automatically trade for you. DBot can be used at no additional cost, and building trading bots on this platform is free. You can also use one of the pre-built robots to help you get started. Deriv provides tutorials and guides on using DBot, and this platform comes with built-in analysis tools, a variety of indicators, and multiple order types. Alternatively, you can use Binary Bot to build more advanced trading bots. This platform is user-friendly, however, it is designed for more experienced traders with some technical knowledge. You can also use the Smart Trader platform to purchase and predict baskets, and a variety of other instruments. Smart Trader has a simplistic layout and is primarily used for trading options. To learn more about these platforms, click on the Trade tab and choose a platform from the drop-down menu. If you are new to trading, you can also practice with unlimited virtual funds before you risk your money. Deriv offers an unlimited demo account and 5 types of live accounts. There are 2 types of MetaTrader 5 accounts, 2 types of DerivX accounts, and 1 standard Deriv account. The MetaTrader 5 account can be used as derived accounts or financial accounts. Derived accounts are used primarily for 24/7 trading on derived CFD indices, while financial accounts offer access to all instruments with higher leverage and variable spreads. If you'll be trading on DerivX, you can open either a financial account or a synthetic account. The Deriv Synthetics accounts can be used to trade Deriv's proprietary synthetic indices 24/7, and you will also be able to trade all other instruments on DerivX using the financial account. The standard account is the default Deriv account, and you will need a Deriv Real account to use Deriv's peer-to-peer deposit and withdrawal service. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. All Deriv accounts can be used as demo versions, and you can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you open a swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, it appears that Deriv does not offer swap-free accounts currently at this time. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Deriv offers, click on the Trade tab and head over to the Deriv MetaTrader 5 page or the Deriv X page. Creating an account with Deriv may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Deriv homepage, and then click on the Login button or click on Create Free Demo Account. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address. After your account has been verified and approved, you can then log into the client portal. Within the client portal, you can choose to open either live accounts or demo accounts. What you'll want to do next, after you have chosen your preferred account type, is to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Deriv. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platform, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with the basics of understanding platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of $5 is required to open an account with Deriv when you fund your account using e-wallets, Skrill, and NetTeller. Credit and debit card deposits will require a minimum deposit of at least $10 and will be processed instantly. You can use Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro. Accounts can be funded using several base currencies, including euros, US dollars, and pounds. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. When choosing a broker, look beyond the platforms, accounts, and instruments offered, and make sure that all the tools, news, research material, and educational resources you need are provided before making a final decision. As a Deriv client, you will have access to exclusive MetaTrader 5 trading signals and a variety of tools and calculators to help you make more informed trading decisions. Deriv's Academy offers plenty of in-depth articles, market news, educational videos, and beginner-friendly guides. And we highly recommend exploring the Academy if it is your first time trading. Deriv won the Best Forex Broker in Africa award from the 2022 Forex Awards and is a safe, beginner-friendly broker with millions of clients worldwide. Deriv's platforms have been designed specifically to give clients access to optimal trading conditions for a wide range of CFDs, multipliers, and synthetic instruments. This low-risk broker offers high leverage, tight spreads, and 24-hour 7 days a week trading on indices and cryptocurrencies. Deriv offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Whether you're using a real account or a demo account, remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Deriv. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.